Hey guys, I am Subha and I am making this quick video to share with you 3 AI powered KDP tools. So these tools will help you do niche research, keyword research and create compelling descriptions using the power of AI. So let's get started. The first tool is Amazon KDP Niche Generator. If you are facing problems in finding niches, you can use this tool. Simply describe your book idea like cooking, gardening, traveling and choose the book type from the drop down like coloring book, notebook, puzzle book, etc. and hit the generate button and it will give you niche ideas. For example, if I type gardening and from the drop down I will select notebook and here I can click on generate and it will start generating niche ideas. Like you can see, the Garden Journal, Ultimate Gardeners Notebook. This is the type of book. Ultimate Gardener's Notebook, a comprehensive guide to planning, planting and maintaining your garden. You can simply copy it. The second is Herb Garden Planner, the Essential Herb Gardener's Notebook. Organize your herbs, record growth, progress and harvesting tips. And the third one is Vegetable Garden Tracker, the Veggie Grower's Notebook. Track your vegetable garden progress, plan your harvests and improve your garden year after year. Click on copy all. You can paste into text file. If you type coloring book and from the drop down you need to select coloring book, click on generate and it will give you ideas for coloring books. Mandala designs for stress relief coloring books for seniors with large print designs, magical creatures and fantasy landscapes coloring books. So similarly you can type any keyword like cooking and from the drop down you can select journal, click generate, it will give you niche ideas. Recipe journal for busy moms, plant-based cooking journal, healthy instant pot recipe journals. This tool is totally for free. You can check it out on the given link below in the description. Let's move on to the next tool. The next free KDP tool is Amazon KDP Keyword Generator. It is also powered by AI. In the search bar, you can type any keyword like coloring book, puzzle book, word search book and click on generate and it will give you 10 keyword ideas. These all keywords are long tail. So let's type keyword here like coloring book. Click on generate. As you can see, coloring book theme, flower, coloring book for adults, coloring book audience, animal coloring book for kids. It also gives you the keyword type, coloring book size, giant coloring book for children, mandala coloring book for relaxation, vintage coloring book for seniors, easy coloring book for beginners, Christmas coloring book for holidays, birthday coloring book for gifts, spiral bound coloring book for convenience. All these keywords are powered by AI. However, you need to check out these keywords for trademark and copyright. Do proper diligence for using them into your metadata. So you can copy individual keyword or copy all. Let's check out the third and last tool, KDP Book Description Generator. Create compelling book descriptions for your Amazon KDP listings in seconds with easy to use generator. You can type coloring book and in the usage you can type for toddlers ages 1 to 3 are your audience. Then you can click on generate. Let me generate this again. You can see it gives you a headline, coloring book for toddlers, a creative journey for ages 1 to 3. Write your own author name here. Introduction, introduce your little one to the exciting world of colors with coloring fun for toddlers. Change with your book title. This coloring book is specially designed for children ages 1 to 3 to explore their creativity and develop fine motor skills while having fun. This is really cool and it catches buyers' attention. Then there are key features, simple and engaging illustration, perfect for toddlers, large, easy to color shapes, encourage creativity. You can read this out. Then is the call to action. Buy now, unleash your child's imagination and order coloring fun for toddlers today to create lasting memories together. Simply you can click on copy and description copy to the clipboard. You can paste into a Word document or a text file. So these are 3 free AI powered KDP tools I created for you people and you can use them on the links mentioned in the description. Check these out. If you want to learn more about Amazon KDP, you can check out my blog. Click on here this page and it will take you to the latest blog posts from my blog, Low Content Profit. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.